The biggest benefit to the Wave series in our powder storage operation is primarily the safety factor that it provides for our employees. Hi, my name is Flavio Fassi. I'm the CEO of Houston Powder Coaters, and we're in Houston, Texas today. Part of our process, we have to store the powder paint in a climate control environment. People can get pretty tired loading up 65-pound boxes 15 feet up in the air. And the Wave absolutely alleviates any concern that fatigue might come into play. But again, I cannot stress enough how important it is to us, the safety factor that is absolutely solved. Wave is honestly one of our favorite projects here at HPC. It presented us the solution that we just absolutely didn't even know existed. I would really like to compliment the team at Crown. It's not every day that you find somebody willing to understand your work, to understand your process, and to come up with creative solutions like the Wave. The biggest benefit to the Wave series in our powder storage operation is primarily the safety factor that it provides for our employees.